What is going on, everybody? Firstly, just want to say a massive thank you again to everybody. The support and the interaction on the last video was insane, so thank you very much to everyone who got involved with that. Today, new video. If you don't know already, my uncle has actually built a Mark 1 Fiesta himself in his garage at home, and we did a video on that not so long ago. So if you haven't seen that, I'll leave a link in the description. Go and check that out. He built it from the ground up in his garage. It was insane, the amount of work and detail that went into that car. And in that video, I did mention and I pointed out that he had another one, which is actually a proper Mark 1 Fiesta XR2. So he's now moved on to that one. So what we decided to do was, I thought, you know what, I've got to get in early this time because the build video I did last time was just pictures of what he'd done, and I thought I'm going to get in early this time whilst he's building it. And yeah, he gave us access to his garage so I could have a look around the car at the stage that it's at the minute. It's in the very early stages, but I just thought this is going to be such a cool episode series to do, where we get to see this car being built from the ground up, and then obviously the finished product at the end. So make sure you hit the subscribe button if you like these kind of videos and you want to see the end product. I'm sure it's going to be as good as the last one that he did. He knows his stuff, you know, when it's coming to Mark 1 Fiestas, he knows his stuff and he knows how to do it right. So I'll let you guys see exactly what happened, what state the car's in, and what was said when I got there.
Aye.
That's strong.
No, that's a green, that's too strong.
Are you right? No, it's thin as you get where you can get thinner.
Can you?
These are going to love this.
And then I
This is exciting.
I mean, if you didn't have one of these spits,
you'd be knackered, wouldn't you? You would never do it, would you?
Well, it's a good, put it this way, it's a good job you haven't got a Ford Transit, because you're not getting it on there. So how are then, like, what's the actual plan of it? What? Because
myth, I don't know.
you're just going to wing it. So you're putting a cage in, you're going to put the cage in.
This is going to look like a XR2, but custom to a point where it's just all old school still. 1700 cross.
Tastefully modified.
It's going to look like an XR2 with a cage in. Maybe just change some of the interior.
So you're going to put like different wheels on it or out, or are you not sure yet?
Probably just roll over RS 4 spokes on it. Same as the other one,
Same as the other one.
but that's to be decided. We're looking at the RS spec wide arches for
Right.
the kit that you can get as well, but I'm not sure yet because you have to tub the back arches and I don't want to cut them out.
Because they're original.
So basically I've got everything, so if anybody ever wanted to put it back to standard,
They could.
they could. But we're looking to get a 1700 cross flow built again.
So have you not got an engine for this now then?
2 engines.
Did you only need one?
Aye.
You gotta put one in the boot and one in the front.
2 engines, so
Make one good one.
Aye.
You'll have this done, man, in the next couple of months. It'll be finished.
Well, look at getting Harris Performance engines to do it as well. So.
Was that who done the last one? No.
It was just home done now.
I was saying that my dad the other day, I was saying the next generation, right, that I'll be driving about in completely different cars and we'll be sitting saying to them, I promise you, this is your first car, I promise you, 20 years ago this was cool, like this was cool 20 years ago. And they'll be going, I didn't want this, it's rubbish, I didn't want it. It's not cool, Dad. So are you going to do all the painting and stuff again in here?
But it's all been shot blasted as well. Like I don't know, I don't know if you remember, it was called Z-Bot.
Right.
You know, like the drilled holes. So they drilled holes in the sill.
Why did it? Oh, they put them in the sill.
So they don't have to take the car to bits, they just drill holes and put plastic plugs in.
Aye.
And the finish is pretty brutal really when you think about it.
Aye.
So this one was Z-Bot is all underneath as well.
Was it?
So it took ages to get all that off, like, but it saved it in a way, you know.
Yeah.
But like normally, like if these go, like this is part of the structure on them.
Right.
Pretty much knackered really. You can't fix it, but everything's solid on this one. Inside here rots and that.
Right.
Wheel
You
arches
see
rot.
where all the water collects in now, couldn't you?
Needs to have a few things fixed. I mean, the floor's all been fixed. It's that new back panel on and that.
All through there. Good, eh? See, like so this, do you have to fill all these in?
Yeah.
Oh, that's water drainage.
It's a drain.
So what's the next stage? What's the next few jobs you've got to do?
Basically, the roof is the next job.
The roof.
Before
The hardest
primer
job.
the inside and primer all this stuff again. So the roof's the next really.
Is that the roll cage, like?
Oh, I forgot you had that hanging up there.
Yeah, that had to be modified a little bit.
Right.
So did the XR2, what, did they not come with us? Did they not
came
come?
with factory fitted sunroofs.
Right. All of them.
Not all of them. Some
Right.
of them didn't have sunroofs, and this one didn't.
And someone's put one on.
Somebody's put an aftermarket one in, which they did back in the day.
Yeah.
They just cut a hole in your roof and stick a sunroof in it. So that's what this has got in.
Right.
And I've still got the sunroof. I could
Put it in
back
if you wanted.
But it's going to look a bit silly with a roll cage in it.
Yeah, true. So when you say you're going to skin the roof, you're not going to actually, you're not cutting, you're just taking the top off the outer layer of the metal
Just the outer skin.
and then welding it back on or something. Oh, right, okay. So what colour are you painting this? Are you keeping it white?
Original white.
Be nice white, like.
Will be.
The thing is, white as well, it's a hell of a lot easier to paint than that.
Then,
Green.
aye.
Aye.
It's just white.
And what about the kit and
That's
everything? Have you got all the kit and everything for it? The XR2 kit?
The wheel arches.
Aye, like the plastic.
Or a mint set of them and that.
Dash and that, is it all XR2 dash and stuff?
XR2.
Steering wheel? 3-spoke.
Yeah, 4-spoke.
4-spoke one, aye.
Same as this one.
What about like, stickers and that?
Probably put the original ones on. So it looks a bit like standard sort of thing.
You got them like?
No.
No.
So the
Someone will be able to get them for you, won't
I
they?
can get them. Not the original ones.
No, but
like,
they'll be-
like Andy's aftermarket ones.
They'll only be
Can't tell.
cheap as out, are
65.
they?
You know Dan's arches?
Aye.
I could get some of them.
Like the flared ones?
Uh,
Aye.
well, they're actually proper Ford RS ones now.
Right.
It's actually cutting the arches out. So once you do that, you can live
Can it go back? Aye.
Cut the arches out and that's it. It's shells of soda.
Dangerous.
Like, no, it's not dangerous. It's just...
You can't go back.
You
It's-
have to,
you
somebody
could-
wants to put it back to standard.
You can't. Aye.
You can't really.
But you ruin the car really then, don't you? Really?
Yeah,
Well, you're not ruining it, but you're changing it.
Changing it
Like
to
to a
where-
degree where you can't change it back. Do you know what I mean? It's one of them, isn't it? Do you it, do you not?
exactly.
You've got to keep it original.
No, you didn't. Don't listen to anyone else tells you. Do what you want to do. If you were planning on selling it, or like doing it up for an investment or whatever, you know, probably you're best off keeping it standard, do everything original. But if you're not, and you're just going to keep it and use it, and pass it on, do what you like with it.
Well, that's
Do you know what I mean?
the plan is to use it rather than anything else. So
Well, then if you're going to use it, you want it how you want it. You didn't want to be driving around in it and thinking, oh, I wish I'd done that. Do you know what I mean? I wish I should have just done that. And you didn't want to please other people. It's pointless trying to keep it nice for the next owner. You've got to enjoy it. Because one day, Dan's going to pull up next to you with his wide arches on, and you're going to go, should have done that. That looks good. Or you might go, oh, glad I didn't do that.
you can
Do you know what I mean? It's no, I appreciate you letting me come and have a look at it though. When you keep doing few bits, you like to keep letting us know, and we'll come up and. Or if you're doing out like major and you need a hand, or I'm good at passing tools and making cups of tea. What do you think of that then? That is going to be some little project, isn't it? There's a lot of paint work and prep work to do now. That's kind of like the next few jobs that he's going to be doing. And then yeah, he's got to put it all together. He's got some task on his hand, I tell you. Here he is, he's doing it, and he's going to do it his way, like he did, hopefully his way, like he did the last one. And I think it's going to be spectacular. So thank you very much everybody for watching. I really do appreciate it. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you like me and you can't wait to see what's going to happen next, make sure you subscribe, leave a like as well. It really, really does help. And also leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts, what you think about, you know, the process, what you want to see more of. I'm really, really enjoying these videos at the minute, and I'm going to try and get as much consistent content out for you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a fantastic week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.